Hello students, today I am going to explain the weighted arithmetic means. Last the presentations explain the normal arithmetic means of raw series, discrete series and continuous series. In today's presentations, this is a weighted arithmetic means as compared to normal arithmetic means. These small modifications and small changes in these questions. So that is the frequency will be given as a weight. So these are normal questions when you saw the series of the raw series. There is a language that is a subject and marks. We have to calculate the normal formula sigma x divided by n. So raw series in raw series. In addition to this weighted arithmetic means the weight of the subjects that is the variables will be given. We have to multiply this. This is the formula for the calculations of arithmetic means of weighted. So sigma w x weighted x divided by sigma w. Sigma means that is the total of vacancy. Total of vacancy. This may be the total of weighted and the x. So following are the questions given. The marks obtained and weight assigned to the subjects of a students. Calculate weighted arithmetic means subjects is the given marks. This is not necessary and not the so important for the informations. We have only the two informations for the calculations purpose. When you go to the solutions, this is the weighted arithmetic means the solutions subjects as usual given in the questions, and this marks also x, and this is the not f, this is the w. In normal the previous presentations we have the normal arithmetic means we have to calculate x and f, because in here that is no the x, only the weighted, that will be the weight given for the frequency. So in x we need that sigma wx, we need sigma wx or xw, we need the xw. X ல என்ன பண்ணோம் நம்ம இது multiply பண்ணோம் 6 into it will comes 60, 65 into 1 65, 53 into 2 106, 50 into 3 150, 40 into 4 160. When you go to the totals, this will comes as a 541 sigma xw, and this is a sigma, and this will be the sigma w. This is a sigma w. The total it will calculate, this total will come as a 11. 2 plus 1 plus 1 2, 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11. So this is the total we got as a sigma wx. Only two informations we need the based on the formula sigma xw divided by sigma w. This comes as a sigma wx already we calculated, and sigma m also we calculated. This is 11. So we have to calculate the arithmetic mean of weighted. Normal means we called only the mean symbol, so will comes. Now here's the sigma, the weighted arithmetic means we have to the mean into w given in the formula. So these informations already we calculated. 541 as a sigma ws, and 11 as a yes, that is a sigma w x. This is a sigma w, and this is a 541 sigma w x. Both are comes. When you divided these answers, automatically will comes as a 49.18. Total answers will be the calculated 49.18 will come as a answers. This is a last solutions. Very simple concept. Weighted in the 5 marks they will be the answers are repeated. That is a weighted arithmetic mean. This is in our syllabus. They are very easy and concept. We have to just multiply the marks we called as a f, x, and weighted we called as a w. Weight will be the givens. So you have to watch the full videos to understand the clearly. So this is the basic formula for the calculations of the mean of weighted mean of arithmetic mean. Thank you.